guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Shazia. In today's video I'm gonna review these lashes that I recently got from purple.com, and they are called as Bronson Professional. When I searched for lashes on purple.com, I really wanted to buy new lashes. So when I searched for lashes, this was one of the first ones that caught my eyes, and these were so affordable and yet looked really decent and nice for the price. So I thought, why not try them? So yes, this is how they look like, and the price of these lashes is 150 rupees right here. But I got them for I think 125. This is how the packaging is. It's a cardboard packaging, and I feel like the packaging is quite decent for the price that you're paying for these lashes. So this is how they look like. And behind, like you guys saw, the MRP is mentioned, and all of the instructions and everything to apply fake lashes, all of that is mentioned. And yes, so let's just open and see how these lashes look like. I have not tried these lashes, guys, so in this video I will be sharing a first impressions as well as demo. So only in this video I'll be trying out these lashes on my eyes for the first time, and I shall be giving you guys my thoughts and how these lashes actually are. I'll remove one of the lash and show you guys. So this is how they look like. Like you can see, they're very lightweight. They look very lightweight, and they're very ultra thin lashes. Like if you guys see the band, they're just so thin. Band of this lashes is super thin, like you guys can see. Just look at that band. It's just so super thin. It doesn't even have any band actually, so it's super thin, and I feel like they will be really lightweight on the eyes. This is how they look like, because the band is really thin. Most of the times it is the band that troubles us and makes the lashes feel a little heavy on the eyes, but these look really lightweight and very thin, and they're not very fluttery or very dramatic, but on the other hand they look quite natural. But I think they will still give a nice attractive look to the eyes. This is how I feel like. But for some reason they feel really flimsy to me. Like if you are not very careful with removing the lashes from your eyes, I feel like they might tear or something, because they're really thin, like you guys can see. Also guys, another really good part about these lashes is that I actually measured the right lash on my right eye, and guess what, it was actually perfect for the size of my eye. It wasn't large. I didn't have to cut the ends or anything like I have to, like usually you have to do with other lashes. These lashes was like perfect for the size of my eye. I didn't have to cut any part. I didn't have to cut the inner corner or anything. So they were actually, the size was perfect for the size of my eye. If you have smaller eyes than mine, you will have to cut the inner corner. But the weird thing about the packaging is that if you guys see, it's actually mentioned over here pack 53. Like these lashes are in the number 53. If you mention 53 is the model number of these lashes, like you guys see, model number 53, but over here it's mentioned pack 53. Now pack is a totally different brand, and Bronson is a totally different brand, but I don't know why they have mentioned pack over here. That is a really weird thing. Why did they have to include another brand name in their brand? Like why? I just don't understand. That's really weird. But anyways, that's just the problem of the brand, not the product. So yes, let's go ahead, apply these lashes and see how they look like, and I shall tell you guys my further thoughts about them. Okay guys, so I did my eye makeup off camera, and then after that I started applying these lashes, and I used my eyelash adhesive and started applying the glue. And here I noticed one con. While I was applying the glue to the lash band, since the lash band is really thin, the glue started flowing downwards. It wasn't holding the glue properly. So that was a little con for me. So I guess you have to be really careful while you're applying the glue to the lash band. This never happened with any other lashes. But yeah, anyway, I waited for a few seconds and then popped my lashes on. And again, after applying the lashes, I noticed one more con. I had applied mascara and curled my lashes off camera, but even then, after applying the lashes to my on my eyes, I felt like my lashes and the fake lashes and my natural lashes weren't getting merged properly with each other. They were kind of looking separate from each other, and that was not looking that good. Even though I had applied mascara, I never felt the same with any other lashes. Then after that I went off camera, and then once again I curled my lashes and then applied the eyelashes, the fake lashes. Even then the same problem occurred. When I opened my eyes, it looked fine, but when I closed my eyes, I could see my natural lashes and the fake lashes looking separate, which wasn't looking so great. So yes, I noticed these two cons. So I can say I have mixed feelings about these lashes. They are kind of okay types. I wouldn't repurchase them again though, but if you don't have a problem with these two things, then you can go ahead and buy these lashes. But for me, I personally didn't expect these cons, so yeah, I was a little bit disappointed. So anyways guys, this was for my review. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give my video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.